Okay, I want a clean fight, no biting. Define biting. What? Do you mean biting or bite biting? Bite biting. I think biting is fine, just no bite biting. That sounds fair. No, biting. Okay, okay. Pussy. If I say break, you move to opposite sides of the ring. I don't really like that side of the ring. I'll just stay on this side. Yeah, his side is nicer than this side. I want to be over there too. Oh my god. Okay, if I say break, you both move over to Bish's side, but you have to stop fighting. This guy is a little bossy. Whatever. Come on, guys. I'm the ref. He hasn't listened to my instructions and do what I say. You're right. He is bossy. I know, right? We're here to stab each other. How fucking hard is that? Have you ever been a ref at a stabby stab fight before? Wait, I thought this was a stab fest or a stabapalooza. Shut up! It's a goddamn unsanctioned street fight with knives! Daggers. Oh, Jesus fucking. Are you going to listen to my instructions or what? That's why I'm here. I thought you were here to stare at her boobs. Yeah, keep your fucking eyes on the blade, fool. It's not my fault Bish drew you with double D's and nipples. I used old stock footage from another video. I didn't hear you volunteering to help animate this. I wondered why I was wearing a cheerleader outfit. Yeah, that was a funny Halloween video that went off the rails. You should watch it on YouTube sometime. Let's go watch it now. Did this turn into an advertisement for Bish's YouTube channel? So what if I did? Can a guy stab someone and promote his funny videos?